we don't mind all the watching. Cause if we stand close, we're close, they might learn something. Right now,
I get it how I live it. I live it how I get it. Come to digits. I pull it with a lemon. Knock it, she ain't living. It's just that I get acidic. And this ain't a scrimmage. We ain't finished. I told you.
Hey guys, it's Jerika. Welcome to my channel. So today we are doing another Fashion Nova winter try-on haul. I love Fashion Nova. Y'all already know. Y'all already know the speech. I'm not even gonna go into it. So I'm gonna jump right into the video. So the last video I did was my Fashion Nova fall try-on haul. You guys seem to love that video. So I said the winter haul will be next, and this is what the winter haul is. There will be more. The next set of Fashion Nova clothes that I order will probably be for the spring. Of course, I'm probably gonna be getting some more winter stuff. So this first top is an off-the-shoulder top. I love off-the-shoulder tops. I don't know what it is, even though I don't like my shoulders. I love off-the-shoulder tops. They just bomb. This shirt that I got on right now is also from Fashion Nova, but it's so annoying because it doesn't stay like this. So that really bothers me. But anyway, this is an off-the-shoulder top. This is what it looks like. I love this color green. It's a bodysuit, and it is kind of thin, so it's definitely seems like it could be see-through. So this isn't something that you could wear without a bra. It's definitely something you're gonna need a bra with, but I love this color. It's super cute. The color is kind of fall slash, I mean, you could wear it in the winter. You could wear whatever color you want to wear no matter the season, okay? But you know, you just need to wear this. This top is called Avery off-the-shoulder bodysuit in hunter green. It was $14.99. I got it in a size large because in Fashion Nova clothes I have to get larges for their tops. For the bottoms I have to get either large or extra large, and their jeans I get anywhere from 11 to 13. So I will let you guys know what is what, because I know a lot of people were wondering about that in my last video. So again, this is the size large. I wear larges in all of their tops. This was $14.99. It's hunter green. It's super cute. I love bodysuits because you can pair them with jeans, you can pair them with any type of pant, shorts, and they can just complete any look depending on the type of bodysuit. It could be an off-the-shoulder bodysuit like this, or it can be a like you can just make it dressy. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. That's why I love bodysuits. It allows you to be very versatile. See, look, this shirt is already messing up. Just messing up my vibes. Just messing up all kinds of vibes right now. The second top, I haven't even taken it out of the pack yet. This is like an unboxing in a way, because I'm still taking stuff out of the pack. So this is the Sydney V-neck hoodie sweatshirt bodysuit in the color olive. It's on the website for $34.99. I'm really excited about this. Really, really excited. Ooh, it's super thick. Yes. Super thick. I love it. Looks kind of big though. Ooh. Anyway, I got this in a size large, which I told you I wear larges in their tops. This looks like it might be a little big though, but I doubt it. I highly doubt it, even if it looks big. I'm sure it's not. But look at this, you guys. It's a bodysuit sweatshirt. Bruh. A bodysuit sweatshirt. I've never seen anything like this. And I didn't think it would be this thick, but it's super thick. It's so thick. I love it. So it would be warm. And I love the detailing on the sleeves. It had these little, I don't even know what to call them, but these are on the sleeves. I don't think they snap. Oh my god, y'all. They snap. They snap. So you can have it open. You can have it closed. Oh my god, I love this. Anyway, this color is, it says olive. So it's like a light olive. Ooh, I can think of some cute makeup looks to wear with this. Anyway, so this buckles on the bottom because it's a bodysuit. It has a hood. So you can pair this with some jeans. I would pair this with some jeans or some black high-waist jeans, or just some regular pair of pants. Like, you could wear this with anything. I think this would be cute with either sneakers or heels. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. Like I said in my last Fashion Nova video, I like to get stuff that you can dress up or dress down. And if you know how to do it, you can pretty much do anything with anything. You can make anything look cute if you know how to accessorize. The next item I got from Fashion Nova is the, let's see, this is the Accord Camo jumpsuit, and the color is called Camo, so it's camouflage. I guess this one we're gonna have to just rip open. So I'm pulling it out of the package, and again, my life is in shambles because of this. So this is what this looks like, also in a size large. I think I got it in large. Yeah, large. So this is what this looks like. I love jumpsuits, and I like that it's a clothy one because I can't really do spandex because I have gut, so it doesn't work properly. But when you have the cloth ones though, you can kind of conceal that gut. So I really like this. It's long sleeve, and it's also, you know what, this top is just getting on my nerves. Well, it is what it is. So this is a camo color, obviously, as you can see. It's also an off the shoulders type of bodysuit, so this is going to be bomb. I would love to wear this with some nude heels, or my my wedge tennis shoes would look really cute with this, the ones that say slay. Yes honey, I love it. This material is super soft and comfortable. I don't know how see-through it is yet. I'm going to be trying it on so you guys will see, like, you know, I put the clip in here, you guys will see how it looks. So I don't know how see-through it is, but it's super cute. I love the way that it looks, and I hope that it fits me. It fits me right. The knees also have a slit in it, so your knees will definitely be out. I mean, hers are out in the picture, but yes, I'm loving this, and I can't wait to get the opportunity to actually wear this. Like I said, I could either dress it up with some nude heels or wear it with some tennis shoes and make it super cute. Yes. The next item I got is a super cozy top. I hope it's not too big. It's the All I Need Is Pockets cardigan in the color burgundy. It's $29.99 on their website. Let me go ahead and open this. This looks really big. And I like what made me get this is the fact that it was like a robe. So I can wear this at work. I can add this to a pair of jeans and a bodysuit and dress it up. I can dress it down. Now if I can just figure out. Yes, this is what it looks like. So it looks like it runs a little big, but that's okay. I don't mind having big cardigans, especially if you have on like long sleeve shirts. You don't want the sleeves to be tight anyway. So this is what it looks like. It's a super beautiful color. Like, can you imagine the lipstick that you could wear with this? Oh my god, this would look really cute with either a black bodysuit and black pants and some burgundy heels, or you could wear it with like a white bodysuit and some jeans and some nude heels and just have it as like the little accent color. You can have your lipstick matching this and just make it a super bomb outfit. I know I keep saying bomb, but everything is bomb, so you know, just have to say it. So this is what this looks like. I love it. The material is really thick, so this is going to be warm for the winter. Y'all know, you know, it gets pretty cold here where I live, so you definitely need these cute cardigans to go along with it. Or if you work in an office environment, this is perfect for work. It's nothing inappropriate. It's just a cardigan and ties around the waist, so you can wear like a little robe. You can tie yourself up in it and be super warm and super cute. So this is definitely a must-have. The next thing I got is, it's called the Classy Sassy Bodysuit. And this was $9.96. It was on the clearance. So this is a really thin white thing. Obviously it's not wintry, but I just got it anyway because it was on clearance. This is really different on like anything that I've ever worn before, but you obviously, yeah, this you're gonna need something under it because your boobs would definitely show through this. Yeah, this is something you could wear with like you could wear, maybe you have to wear like a tank top under this for sure. Like, honestly, I didn't even know. I don't know what she got on in the picture, but she got something on under this to where you can't see her boobs. So I won't be trying this on because this is definitely see-through, but it's super cute, and as you can see, the bodysuit part is right there. So I would get this and wear some jeans with it, and I'd have to get like a white thin bodysuit to wear under this so that obviously like my boobs and stuff won't be out. But this is super cute. I really like this. I hope you guys can see how it is. So like you said, you got the bodysuit and then you got the long back that almost touches the floor. So this would be really cute with some high-waist jeans, like the really light ones. And then you can have this flowing over your jeans. And like I said, I need to find a top to wear with this to where my boobs will not be out. The next item I got from Fashion Nova is a hoodie. It's the almost everyday hoodie in charcoal. It has a little frayed end, so it's like you could wear it with some high-waist jeans. Which reminds me of the little hoodie I got, the little green one that you guys saw in my last video. I will link my last Fashion Nova haul up here for the fall if you guys want to see that. But this is also in a large, and this was $14.99 on their website. All the little paper is just falling out. But anyway, this is the way it looks. So it's kind of big, which I like. I kind of like my hoodies to be big and loose, to wear with some super tight high-waist jeans and heels, or with sneakers. You can dress it down, keep it casual. So it's just a basic gray hoodie. Like, it's nothing special. Like I said, the ends are cut off to look like one of those cut off hoodies, without the little tight around the waist. I really like cut off hoodie looks. Looks really cute with jeans or any type of high waist pant like that you have. It looks really cute with. Next item I got from Fashion Nova is another off the shoulder top. This is the Happy Hour bodysuit in black. It's $19.99 on their website. I wore this on New Year's Eve, so I will be inserting some pictures so you guys can see what this looks like. It's just an off the shoulder black. I thought it was really cute. I wore it with the jeans that I'm about to show you guys next. These jeans I also got from Fashion Nova. These were the Get Your Tambourine Body Sculpting Jeans in dark denim. They were $19. I love these pants. They make your butt look amazing. And they are body sculpting jeans, so they hug your hips and your butt, and they're all the right places, and they lift it and make it look awesome and nice and great. And they're high waist. You can't go wrong with anything that's high waist. I love high waist pants, which is what attracted me to Fashion Nova in the first place, because they had super cute high waist jeans. That's what they were first known for, was their high waist jeans. They brought it back. I don't know if they officially brought it back, but they brought back the high waist jeans look, because that was back in the 80s, and they brought it back full hard on for real, because everybody's buying it now. But these are super cute and comfortable. They're also cut out in the knee, as you guys can see here. I'm going to be having these on in other segments of this video, showing you guys the tops that I have, so you guys will get to see me wearing these. But the outfit with this shirt, I'm going to just insert a picture so you guys can see. If you're following me on Instagram, you probably already seen it, but most of you are not, so you need to be following me on Instagram, okay? So yeah, these are the jeans. Super cute, and they're really stretchy, so that means they hug you in all the right places, which we like. This video ended way sooner than I wanted it to end, and I apologize about that. But that's all I got from my Fashion Nova winter haul. I will be making another purchase probably in February, so stay tuned. It's probably going to be a winter part 2 / early spring. So I'm going to be doing that. Fashion Nova is really the only place that I get my clothing from. So I will have a link below. If you haven't shopped from Fashion Nova, there will be a link below where you can go to shop from Fashion Nova. It's my favorite place. I love it. They've never let me down. Sometimes the clothes doesn't come in 2 to 3 days like normal if it's a popular time. It took me like 3 or 4 weeks to get this package, but I didn't complain because I knew it was going to take a long time to get, because everybody was shopping. I love Fashion Nova. I've never had an issue with them. If you have, I apologize, but I've never had an issue with them, and I've been shopping with them over 2 years now, and I love it. Waiting on that sponsored video, Fashion Nova. Just waiting on that sponsored video, because I haven't spent tons of money in your company, and I would just appreciate a sponsored video, okay? But I thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you liked it, I hope you guys thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell next to the subscribe button, because YouTube is on a whole nother level, and we don't know what is going on with YouTube nowadays. Like, YouTube is on another level, and it's just, they're really making it hard out here for us smaller YouTubers. So make sure you hit that bell so you know when I upload a video. Also, again, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat to keep up with me in my daily life. I love getting your messages and your comments and things like that, so I appreciate those. But thank you guys so much for watching this video, and have a good day.